It is the first day of the third season, which is my first season this year. And I just happened to kind of walk right in the direction one started gobbling here at first light, so I set up off a trail. I'm hoping he comes down. He was gobbling pretty good as soon as I called. He has not gobbled since, which I don't know what to think about that. We'll see which way he flies down. I'm about to do a fly down cackle. I think that should seal the deal, but we'll see. So, that bird took off the other direction, which is exactly how turkey hunting goes almost every single time. There's really nothing else gobbling close. So, I think if I'm smart about it, I really don't scare them. I think I know the land well enough to be able to run, through some valleys while he's up top, and maybe we can cut him off. It's not like he was too interested in us before, but he definitely responded to me being a Tom. So maybe if we get up there and we just act like we've been chasing him, and see how that goes. Alright.
opening day, third season. I hadn't come last night to put any to bed, so I didn't know what I was walking into. And I just so happened to be walking towards a gobbling tom. So I tried to set up within 100 yards of him. He was gobbling pretty good. There's other gobblers around, but he was the close one. And we did some hen calls, and he never gobbled again after that. I did a fly down cackle, nothing. He didn't want anything to do with it. So when I heard him fly down, of course, as turkey hunting goes, he flew the other way. I decided to pull out my gobbler call and display another tom in the area. And that got him gobbling, but he just wanted nothing to do with it. And he kept walking, so I decided to make a move and follow him. It was pretty warm, I'm sweating pretty good. But he made it out into a field. I crawled up through the woods, got within probably 40 yards, I'd say, 40, 50 yards. He was gobbling good, and I wasn't going to go out in the field, obviously, so I tried to use that gobbler call, the one he responded to before, and he just shut up and took off. And right when I was going to call it, one turkey had kind of moved in, so I pushed that way and got myself within 150 yards. He liked the hen call, so then I started going a little wild with the hen call, and sure enough, he walked in. He didn't really, I wasn't using decoys, so, you know, it's one of those things where if you don't call a whole lot, he's not going to come right in your lap. And it was a bit of a far shot, but I knew that was as close as he was going to get, and my cover was kind of blown. It was just a matter of time. And that first shot rocked him, but he started running, so then I took off, and by the time I caught up to him, he was laying down looking at me, and instead of jumping on top of him and getting all crazy, I just put another one in him, make it quick for him. But if I hadn't, he would have been gone in another couple seconds. That was a great hunt. So much moving, so much running and gunning, chasing two different birds. There's probably 5, 6 gobbling around here, and we got the job done. Took a lot of different strategies, but we found one that worked, and we made the shot count. Moment of truth. From Real Rugged Outdoors, here's another one, buddy.